See the stock bone design of the Smallrig grip? It's made of alloy metal, and the best part of this camera mount. Once we loosen the screw in the middle, the dog bone grip opens up and we have a full range of movements on the two ball joints. And after we tighten it, everything is securely held together and they are not going anywhere. And this is the camera mount screws. There are two alignment pins beside the screw for us to align the action camera mount. Those two pins are retractable, so if we were to use another third-party mount without the two holes, we can still screw it in, and the two pins pushing will actually tighten the joint. This is how we mount the action camera. We have to unscrew the entire screw. The top bit of the mount comes with my Insta360 Ace Pro camera. I like the screw is intentionally made long and jutting out, so it's very easy for us to reach the screw to tighten and loosen it. And once we tighten it, it's not going to go anywhere. It's a pretty secure mount. I'll show you how I use this mount on the outside of my car later in the video. And for those of you who are using mobile phones, there is a mobile phone clamp that comes with this Smallrig mount. This clamp also has two holes underneath beside the screw for the pins to align. This clamp feels really solid. It's heavy, so I assume it's made of alloy metal and not like those other third-party plastic mount. Now let's talk about the suction cup mount itself. The mount has a double suction cups design. Yes, there is an inner and an outer suction cups. This design makes it super strong, so our expensive action camera and phone will be secure. See how I am sucking it on top of my car? And the mount is so strong, I can shake my whole car when I attempt to try to pull it off. It's not going to come off. I've used this camera mount many times for my YouTube videos. It's fantastic for capturing those intriguing footage from those unexpected angles. Have a look. Subscribe to my channel for useful product reviews and recommendations. I test out products and share them on our Amazon store and this YouTube channel. If you have a product you would like me to showcase, reach out to me using the business inquiry link in the description down below.